How many Fruit Loops do you think's in that bucket?
What bucket?
The one you have your hands in. Can you take a guess?
100. Welcome to Learning League. Hey everybody, I was eating a little bit of this Fruit Loops, but we have to sort them. But I really want to eat some.
We'll get to eat some after.
Watch me eat one.
Is it yummy?
Yum.
All right, so today...
Fruit Loops to get me excited to do this.
Yeah. Today we are going to sort by color. So, pick one.
Okay.
One color.
Pick this one.
Ooh, what color is that?
Stuff in there.
That's okay. What color is it? Don't eat it yet. It's orange. Okay. Put it in one of the cups and that'll be your orange cup. Good job. Orange.
I'm going to be pink. Pink is in this one.
Pink.
I can't eat, right?
Right. Not yet. What color is that one?
I can write this one.
Yeah.
Green.
What color is it?
Green.
Green. Put it in the green cup.
Green.
Okay.
This is the same color as that.
I know.
Yeah, the same color.
Yeah, it might be fun to put that one in there.
But there's water in there.
That's okay. It's not going to mess it up.
It's not going to mess it up? Okay.
Okay, what next? It's okay. What next? What color haven't you done?
I haven't do this one. Purple.
Purple.
It's wet. There's so much colors. I don't know which one to pick.
You don't know? Green.
Green again.
Green again.
Can I pull this up? No.
Keep it down. It's okay.
Mm.
Okay, what next?
When I do this at Daddy's house, he gets it all.
That's okay.
We didn't do this one.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow.
There's no yellows in there, but yellow in the purple one.
Awesome.
Let me fix this. I wanted to put this in here.
Okay.
And this purple into the purple one. And then this orange goes into the pink one. And the yellow goes into the yellow bowl. And the pink one goes in the pink bowl.
Okay.
I just fixed this.
Yeah. Do you have one for each bowl?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite color out of them?
What?
Which one's your favorite?
You know what my favorite color is? Pink.
Pink. That's right. I forgot. Pink. What other colors can you think of that's not in there? What did we not name?
This one, violet.
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 Yeah.
Oh, this has to be violet. And this has to be violet.
Okay.
Those are violets.
Okay.
The purples are violets.
Do you know what the color of the rainbow is?
What?
Do you remember?
No.
R.G.Biv.
Viv.
So what does it start with? R.
For
G is green.
I found a red one in this bucket. Red.
Good job. B is blue.
Blue.
I is indigo.
Indigo. And violet.
And V is violet.
Is right.
R.G.Biv.
I dropped this one before.
That's okay.
There's no highlight on it. I love this.
You ready to go eat some Fruit Loops?
Mommy, you can like eat one Fruit Loop.
Okay.
Eat one.
Mmm.
Yes.
That's pretty good.
It's so yummy.
Thank you for learning your colors with us. You need to say bye.
Bye.
We're gonna eat some Fruit Loops.